how to fix if people can't hear me on my iPhone. So if people are not being able to hear you on your iPhone whenever basically they're calling you or anything like that, what you can try to do is simply open up settings, then scroll down to apps, then scroll down to the phone app, right? So just go to the phone app, and here you'll see a couple of options. Now here you want to make sure all these options are enabled and that they're working fine. And first of all, also check whether or not you're in a proper place where your cellular tower is working just fine. Make sure that you have got a strong connection. Then you can also try to enable flight mode and disable flight mode to see if that helps you. If not, go to settings, scroll and go to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and make sure to reset all settings that you can find here. And once you reset all settings, that should definitely help you solve the problem. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.